Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Check your ID, enrollment status, and pass threshold so you don't waste time. Once verified, gather the core documents: transcript, student ID, official email, and any receipts. Then log into the claims portal and navigate to the claims section. Select the pass level you need and click Start Claim. You do this first so the system captures correct metadata and timestamps, which prevents delays later and ensures your claim matches institutional requirements. Next, you fill the detailed form, enter course codes, term dates, and a concise reason for the claim so reviewers understand context. Upload supporting files as PDFs or screenshots. Keep each file under 10 MB and label them clearly. Once uploaded, validate every entry. Check for typos, confirm course codes, and ensure dates match your transcript. If the system flags a mismatch, correct it immediately. This reduces back and forth and speeds approval, because reviewers focus on substance, not formatting errors. When everything looks right, review the summary page, confirm fields, attachments, and give digital consent where required. Submit the claim and copy the reference number you receive. Use that number to track progress and to follow up if needed. If a submission fails, first clear your browser cache, try a different browser or device, and re-upload. If problems persist, contact support with your reference number and a brief description so they can reproduce the issue and resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.